Don't forget to press the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay up to date with all our videos. Okay guys, so welcome back to this new tutorial, and I would like to again thank you all for giving us the support by subscribing to our channel. It really means a lot to us, and we will promise we'll keep making good tutorials for you guys. So on this Sunday, what do we have? So we will be creating a project about Facebook replica, and we will be using Firebase. We'll be using React Materialize and React hooks, of course. And let's see, this would be a screen for sign up, login, and the regular feed. So it's going to be a fairly simple application, not too much about the different functionalities which Facebook provides us, like notifications and a lot of like group pages. We won't be doing that. It's fairly simple that you just write a post at this point and it's going to appear on the top. So multiple people can write their post, and we can have a button which can say edit or delete. So if I am the owner of this post, I should be able to delete this particular post. And we won't be having comment, but we might have like. This is just a prototype, so not a prototype, but a UI. So here, maybe we can search for people, that which person, if I am this user, if I'm logged in from Dhaval Jardosh and I'm looking for John Doe's profile, so I can just click on this and go to his profile page. So we'll have that search functionality and a sign out as well. So let me show you what exactly we will be using. So Firebase, we will use Firebase and Firebase authentication as well as the Firebase real-time database. So for this project, I have created a new email address. So we will go to the new email address. I don't think I have it here. So Ramto education. I already have created, but it's not in Firebase, so I'll just do that. So okay. All right, so we are in this one, and I'm gonna go to my account, and that is supposed to be here. Okay, let me refresh it. Okay, there he is. And let me on the side start the create React app. So if you don't know how to see that, look at the documentation. Create React app. It's gonna take a while, so we'll just put that task in the background. So create a new create React app, and what you need to do is npx create React app and my app name. So I'll go to my terminal. I have to have a new terminal. Okay, here it is, and document video tutorials. Let's see what do we have. Okay, maybe it's not this one. It's Ramto education. Okay. Okay. Npx create React app, and we'll name it as Facebook clone. Okay, so this thing is gonna take a while. I got a comment saying that we are not showing the installing of this app like basic boilerplate, so we are doing that at the moment. So let's go back to Firebase and see what are we going to use there. So if I go to console, I should see the database and a bunch of stuff, authentication and all. Okay, And on this side, let me show you the UI library. So it's React Materialize, and it is going to be this one. So this is a small library, but it shows us how to use Materialize, because I really like Materialize, and it the original one, it's a bit hard to work with when you are using React. So this one will be easy enough. So it should be here. This is the link to the documentation, and as you can see, we might be using the grid, how to space it there, and we might use a bunch of different components from here. Okay, so let's see if this is installed. No, it's not. Go back to Firebase, and we don't have any project at this point. So let's create a project. I'll name it Facebook clone. I accept, and okay. Okay, and it's creating it. This thing won't take too long, so that's fine. And okay, all right, so this is done. So we'll go to Facebook clone, and we'll just yarn start. Okay, our project is ready, and we can go to our Facebook clone, and we might have to create an app. So get started adding Firebase to your application, which we will need, but this is the database which we will be using. It's we won't be using the Firestore. We will use the Firebase real-time database. So I'll start it in test mode. We can have a bunch of different functionalities using the locked mode. So you can have privacy by allowing and restricting people, like not to write and read from your database. But right now we don't really care, so we'll just go with the test mode, and we might even use the storage to get the images, like the person's image. So we'll use the storage, and eventually we will host our application via hosting. So at this point, this authentication stuff is something which we will be using. I'll sign it up, or I'll set it up in a while in next videos. But right now, let's see where is our. Okay, this is running on one server, which I am running already. So let me kill that process. And I did that. Let me just close all the terminals from there. Okay. No, I would like to go with the same port, so it should start. Okay, great, it started, and I think I can go cd clear cd document ramto education, and you it's Facebook. Okay, hold. Hopefully this should work, and it I guess did. Okay, great. So this is working, and we have our the package from the Create React app, and I'll just get rid of few of them which we don't really need. So index, this test, we don't care too much about these guys, so I'll just get rid of them. And app, we don't have logo anymore, so I'll remove that as well. Right now it would be there would be an error on the screen, as you can see here. But okay, so we don't have app, we do have app CSS, so this is fine, this file is fine. I'll remove the service worker and even this guy, and I don't have index, so this is good and there won't be any errors. Okay, great. So this is okay. This is not bad. This thing which you are looking at is because there's a margin which is not zero. So we can do that from this app. I'll set the margin of body to margin 0. Let's see if that worked. Yes, it did work. Okay, great. So we did the setup. I started the Facebook Firebase project as well. So we have the database, we have the authentication here. And in the next video, I'll show you how are we going to go ahead with the database connections and all. So stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.